Joe, welcome to our SilverTech profile. Why don't you tell us about your role as a software engineer at SilverTech?
Sure. As a backend developer, it's my job to break out the site into these components that I build called widgets, and also to manage third-party integrations with the content management systems we work with here.
You're one of the agency's top experts in Sitefinity. What are the benefits that Sitefinity provides to its customers?
Sitefinity has a really streamlined editing experience, which makes it easy for our content administrators to add or edit content on their site. It also provides a really useful feature called dynamic content that allows us to define modules that can contain data for things like locations or perhaps rates, and we can define those through that interface pretty rapidly.
What has been your favorite Sitefinity project and why?
So I think it was really rewarding working on conservation.org. The team that we worked with, their internal development team, seemed to be really passionate about that project. And Sitefinity made our job pretty easy on this site with even their most complicated concepts, such as multi-site development. They're an international website, so they have multiple different sites for their different languages that they provide. And Sitefinity made that a really streamlined experience in moving them into that system.
How does Sitefinity make it easier for developers like you to build digital solutions?
Sitefinity, out of the box, comes with a number of widgets that are predefined. We can expand on those and customize the views to match what the client expects, and it makes development really rapid. We can do a lot very quickly.
What components, modules, functionality do you really find critical to getting your job done or doing it well?
I think some of the things that we have defined when working with Sitefinity have been really handy, such as rates module that we've built out and locations. These are platforms that we've used to build off of for different clients. Now that we've defined them and identified those standards and best practices around them, we're able to build off of that and build some really game-changing solutions for our clients nowadays.
What is one piece of advice that you would give to a junior software engineer coming into SilverTech?
It is important to know that it's okay to ask questions. And a lot of junior engineers can get a little bit nervous or think that they're expected to know things. But we've got a great leadership team here. A lot of senior engineers here that are willing to help every step of the way, that have experience with any of the tasks that we have for these clients.
That's all the questions I have for you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.